Hi, how you doing? So today is the 7th of May as I'm recording this, and tomorrow is launching a new AI Automation Academy, AI to get you working, rocking and rolling. So if you follow this channel, if you don't, you want to, but you know, it's up to you. Anyway, so my business partner Eric Green and I were using the Power Lead system. So the Power Lead system, if you don't know it, it's been around 12 years now, very established. In the day, it was like the big thing because it helps you generate leads. Okay. Now, obviously, over time, other things come and so on and so on. Still been there though, still been rock solid. Some of the back office stuff could do with maybe a bit of an update, but it works and it works great. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it kind of deal, right? But they brought it kicking and screaming into the 20 what century we're in, but it's bang up to date with the AI. Okay, so what's happening at the minute with Powerly system is it's designed for people that are busy, get overwhelmed, not good with tech, don't know how to generate leads, don't know how to follow up. So the Powerly system, you can basically purchase leads, whether that be a solo ad. He has two recommended solo ad providers, and he has SMS leads, and the SMS leads they get full AI follow up for 2 weeks, right? So the AI is working brilliantly at bringing people in, right? But what's happening now, of course, is this is a system that works without you because we even have human like Neil, the owner, and he has a team will speak to people on the back end. But what's happening is people are sort of saying, well, I want to market on social media. How do I do that? And it's even though this is all done for you, I want to grow a business still, and I don't have any control over this because it's done for you. It's fantastic, and the AI follows up with people and all that, and I love it. But this is like producing income. I want to expand on that, and I want to do more. What do I do? So Jeff, the guy that built the AI, is starting an AI Automation Academy. I've got the email here. There's quite a few things, so I want to make sure I read it out. So number one thing, once a month, he's going to get on a call and he's going to teach, but you're going to do it. All right. So if you follow along, whether it be a recording or you do it live, he's going to introduce concept and you're going to do it. So you actually leave with something done, which is pretty cool. Right. So make sure you understand it, make sure you can apply it. Show and tell sessions, plug and play resources, workshops, prompts, templates you can use right away. Right, so no trying to work out the best prompts. Jeff has been studying this for a long time. He's got it down, so he's just sharing what he does. There'll be replays, as I say. He's going to give you his prompt, his own personal prompt library that he uses, and he runs a business called Smart AI, right? And it costs a lot of money to get him to build an AI system for you. He's going to give you his personal prompt library, right? And there's a swipe bank of 50 prompts, right, for inspiration and have you doing things like a professional using AI to do that, right? There's also what I'm intrigued with, and I don't know that much about it. I'll be honest at the minute. I'm going to find out later today, but how you can use AI to create, monetize events, retreats, summits. So you create an event, monetize it, and he's going to teach you how to use AI to, I guess, get people to come and attend the event. I'm very interested in that. And then also he shares the tools he uses, but they're all budget friendly. So I mean, for example, I use captions. Not enough at the minute. I want to use it more. The first paid version is only like $10 a month. It's not it doesn't break the bank. You know what I mean? So it launches tomorrow. If you're a PLS, excuse me, if you're a PLS customer, it launches the 8th. Okay. If you're not a PLS customer and you want to check out what we're doing, if you go to getyouraisidehustle.com, getyouraisidehustle.com, you can go there. You can put your name, just your email, actually. I think you just put your email in. Okay. And it will let you go and speak to the AI. And people that do it love it. Hey, I'm interested. You talk to it literally. I'm interested in starting a business. What do I do? Um, well, the Powerless Internet explains, and you can ask questions. How much can I expect to earn? Is this genuine? Is it legal? Okay, all of these sort of things that people ask, you can ask the AI, and it's not like a cookie cutter. If they ask this, answer that. It's AI, so it has a conversation with it. I asked it to tell me a joke the other day, and it did. It's really, really good. So getyouraisidehustle.com if you want to go and check it out. And in the back office there, you get a trial for 7 days, by the way. You'll learn more about um, the AI Automation Academy because it launches on the 8th. See you in there.